Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. OMG, seriously, you have to see this kitchen. This is the definition of a dramatic entrance. We are talking Modern Tudor meets organic texture, and honestly, it's a game changer. Wow, just look at the contrast. You've got these insanely dark, almost black charcoal cabinets. They're totally giving moody sophistication vibes. But then they contrast that with these massive, rough-hewn natural wood beams overhead. And get this, the ceilings are like 11 feet high. It feels majestic. It's all high drama, high style, right? And usually dark kitchens feel kind of cramped or heavy, but this one fixes that instantly because of that gorgeous bay window. That window is probably 12 feet wide, just flooding the dining nook and the whole space with light. It's airy and dramatic all at once. The island is huge too. I'm guessing it's an 8-foot slab of pure white marble. Think of the appetizers we could lay out there. No boring kitchen drama here. This is streamlined, chic, and completely unique. It's literally my dream home definition. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?